Welcome, my name is Madan. This video is continuation of our last video on performing database CRUD operations from ASP.NET Core. So here we are in our MVC demo project that we created in our earlier video sessions, and I'm in pet repository class. So in previous video we implemented ipet repository interface to our pet repository class, and here is the ipet repository interface that contains several methods for performing database operations. So let's provide implementations to these methods. So here we have passed application DB context as the parameter to our pet repository class, and once the context is available we can perform database operations. So in order to create the pet, we need to do context.pets.add, and we have to pass the pet. So this pet is the DB set that we defined in our application DB context, and this is equivalent to in simplest term, this is equivalent to our database table, our pet database table. So in order to add pet or the row in a pet table, we need to add that pet to the pets DB set at first. After then we need to tell entity framework to commit the changes to the database. So for doing that we need to use save changes API. So what this will does is, at first this will add the pet that we passed here into the pets collection or the pets DB set, and finally it perform database save operation. Similarly, let's perform delete operation. Context dot, we are removing the pet from our pet collection, and finally we need to tell entity framework to commit those changes. Similarly, let's perform edit operation. Context dot pets dot update, and we need to pass our pet, and again we need to tell entity framework to write those changes to the database. Let's implement get all pets, and the return type is list, so we need to return context dot pets dot to list. Let's bring the namespace using system.link. What this does is this will select all the records, all the rows from the pets database table and convert that into list, and we finally return these to this method. And let's implement get single pet method, and the return type is pet, so we need to return the pet. So let's define a variable pet equal to context dot pets dot foster default. This is a lambda expression. We are going to use lambda expression. P goes to p dot id equal to the past id. So, and finally we need to return the pet. What this does is it goes to the pets table and it finds the first row matching this condition. What this condition says is that find the pet with the id equal to the id that is passed here. So with this, our implementation of pet repository class is completed. So that's it for this video. I'll see you soon. Thank you.